guys ever wonder what it costs to change a tire for a motorcycle here in the Philippines is? I literally got this bike for 1 peso down. So there it is. So I don't know how long the promo is. I don't know when you'll see this, but all I'm saying is 1 peso down. I have to take advantage of it. You guys want to know what the cost of changing a tire here in the Philippines, or at least for a big bike, rear tire is going to cost about 1,000 pesos. So what I'm getting is I got a nail, so they're going to patch it from the inside. There's no plugging it here in the Philippines, really. They're going to patch it from the inside. They got to take the whole thing off of the vehicle. And then just the labor costs and everything like that. But they're gonna put nitrogen gas in there as well for for it to run cooler. Still 1,000 pesos, so 20 bucks. So if you guys are interested in what it costs to change a tire, to plug up a tire to fix a flat for a big bike, the tire is a 160, 60, 17. A lot of Americans want to know how you put the patch in anyway. A lot of Americans, they want to know like, oh, how do you fix this? How do you fix that?
Ito sa nasod kay Snokon man.
Oh, muna ako naanad kay may buso dire. Oh, do my life. Do my life. Like, DUNA life.
So ang kini mo gud pasipti mo gud siya.
Yeah, it's more practical.
Ito kuan dako ang bangag utok.
Yeah, I know.
I
know, yeah. Put the tire sealant here. They have nothing like that comparable to America, not that I know of, but it's pretty much like like the temp, when you have a flat, you put the temp one, that's what it is.